Don't buy hosting until you see this. If you're searching for a real Hostinger coupon code, this quick Hostinger review can save you money. Hostinger currently has offers on all plans, and when you use my link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll unlock an extra 20% discount, plus 3 additional months added to your plan. In this Hostinger review, what stands out is how easy and fast everything is. You get strong performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light-speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, making it simple to launch your website. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting platforms, and every plan includes a 30-day money-back guarantee. To use the Hostinger coupon code, get the extra 20% off and 3 extra months. Just tap the link below or scan the QR code.